What we use is a tug and a tow bar, which is really long, and trying to move a aircraft into a hangar in a small space and maneuver it in and not hit everything with the tug is quite the task. It takes a long time and a lot of manpower to actually tow an aircraft. Wing walkers, brake riders, tow supervisor, tail walkers. So a lot of manpower is expended that could be used in other areas. This remotely controlled device changes the whole dynamics, and the policies are going to have to change on how you'll set up a tow team. But it also gives us the opportunity to protect our aircraft quickly. AETC as always is the first command, and so we are trying to be innovative and bring the aircraft positioning device to the rest of the Air Force and the DoD. I envision having about 2 to 4 of these inside of the hangars to be able to just send teams out of 3 or 4 people just to grab those aircraft and get them in as quickly as possible to protect them from any kind of hail damage. It's a great addition to our ability to force multiply, do more with less, and protect our aircraft. We're going to continue to test it, and hopefully we'll be able to use it on our T-1, T-6, and T-30 aircraft in the near future.